What's up guys, this is Tampatec and this is the Aiper Seagull 3000 Robotic Pool Cleaner. What's really cool about this robotic pool cleaner is that it's portable and you can control it with your phone. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you how to set it up and all the cool features that this thing has. And here it is. So the battery floats on top of the water and it is tethered by this cord right here. So if your pool is 8 feet deep or less, then you can use this robotic pool cleaner. Right here is where you charge the unit. You got a couple foam blocks. I believe this is for the inside of the unit. Right here, we have another box. And these are cords. Yeah, power cords and a power adapter for charging. So right here on top, you have on, off, start, and we have 3 different modes, looks like, all, wall, and floor. So yes, it climbs the wall and it's portable, which is pretty good.
The highlights of the Aiper Seagull 3000 is that it has 120 watts of suction power, which is really strong for a portable vacuum. The runtime lasts around 120 minutes. It takes me 60 minutes to clean my pool, so it can clean a large pool, no problem. It does auto parking, and you can control the robotic pool cleaner using a smart app, and it cleans near the water line. So if your tiles around your pool are dirty, it'll go up to that and clean it.
So let's unlock it right here, open it up, and you can take out the bins. And here is the other bin right here. Right here and here are the rollers. This is the belt that drives the wheels or the rollers. And then right here, I believe this drives the suction power. You can see the tracks move. See? When you pull it out of the water, do not tug on this cord. You have to use this handle. So wait until it climbs the wall and then grab the handle. Pretty easy to maintain. You just hose it down with fresh water, the top, the bottom, and the inside.
So it's easy to turn on, to set it up. You just drop it in the pool. At first, you may have to push it down, but after you get all the bubbles out, it automatically just goes off on its way.
Now there it is, it's climbing the wall. And it's portable. Wow, look at it over the jet too. Wow. I'm surprised the jet's not blowing it off. That sounded bad. My pool's about 6 feet deep, but the way the water line is right now, it's probably more like 5 foot deep. What I like about this pool robotic vacuum is that there's no trip hazard connected to that power outlet running across this patio to the robotic pool vacuum. So I don't have to worry about my kids getting hurt. On the Aiper app, open it up, tap on the Bluetooth icon, and then tap on Seagull. It's that easy. And it's connected. Well, the battery life right here is updated, 40%. There's different navigation controls you can do. Pool floor, pool wall, once floor, once wall, 3 times floor, once wall, and you can start cleaning right here. And then navigation control. That's down. And that is up. You see, it works really quick. And I like the beeping noise, so it lets you know that it's working. Wow, cool. And let's see if I can turn. I could turn on the wall. Oh, that's so cool. It's like Spider-Man. You don't have to hold the button down, you can just tap it, which is kind of cool. Alright, let's go the other way. So I got quite a bit of debris, a lot of salt because I have a saltwater pool, but still you can see inside where the salt deposits are, there is debris within that. So what do I like about the Aiper cordless robotic pool cleaner? Well, I like that you can control it with your phone. I like that it has strong suction power and long battery life. So I don't have to charge it every time I use it, which is great. So if you guys are interested in the Aiper Seagull 3000, check out the link in the video description below. If you want more tech videos coming your way, subscribe to Tampatec. Thanks guys for watching.